Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. We move on to the most awaited part of our inauguration, that is book release. The idea of a handbook on facial asymmetry was conceived by the editors even before this workshop was planned. The aim was to develop a comprehensive book on facial asymmetry covering both the orthodontic as well as surgical aspects. The highlights of this book is extensive planning and contribution from eminent experts in the field. A lot of hard work has gone into writing and compiling this book. It is the first book of facial asymmetry specifically tailored for the postgraduate students so that they can write an essay questions comfortably. At this juncture, we would like to thank all the contributors of the book. We are proud to announce the chapter have been contributed by the experts from 15 institutions across India. Apart from JMI, major contributors are from Banaras Hindu University, KGMC Lucknow, AIMS Jodhpur, Government Dental College Mumbai, PGI Chandigarh, Aligarh Muslim University, Government Dental College Chennai, Aster Medicity Hospital Kochi, MTR Institute Chennai, and Internal Hospital Jaipur, Bhagwan Mahavir Jain Hospital Bangalore, Ramachandra University Chennai, SRM Dental College, Inga Health Foundation and Facial Aesthetic Center Vadodara. There are 17 chapters authored by over 30 authors and edited by 4 editors. All the authors have researched extensively and have put in paper their years of experience. I would like to make special mention of the editors of the book, Dr. Vipul Sharma, Associate Professor, BHU, Dr. Neha Katta, Consultant Internal Hospital Jaipur. They have literally burned the midnight oil in getting this book together, from coordinating with all the authors to giving the book its final shape. A huge round of applause for all the authors and the Dr. Ashish Gupta sir, Dr. Sanjay Lal sir, Dr. Vipul Sharma, Dr. Neha Katta to join the dignitaries for the book release.
आ रहा हूँ Thank you.
Shabna who has made this